In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix a Google Play Store app not installing on a Firestick. This is Miguel from Just Pause, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, you're going to open your settings by going down to the left here and selecting Settings, and then select Applications. Go ahead and choose Manage Installed Applications, then select the Google Play Store from this list of options. I'm using Downloader because I don't have Google Play Store installed, but the process is exactly the same. From here, go ahead and choose Force Stop, then select Clear Cache, and try installing the app again. If that does not work, you can return to the same menu and select Clear Data instead, and confirm, and this removes the Play Store's saved information, so you may need to sign in again. Next, I would go back to the main settings page here and select My Fire TV and choose the restart option down here and confirm. You'll also want to make sure that the Fire Stick has enough storage by opening Fire TV menu again and selecting About, then going down to Storage and seeing if you have enough. If the app still will not install and may be incompatible with Fire OS or require Google Play services, you can uninstall the app by going back to the main settings page, selecting Applications, going back to the Manage Installed Applications, selecting the app, and pressing Uninstall. Then install a compatible version of the app through the Amazon App Store or sideload its individual APK instead with apps like Downloader. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.